This frog uses a plant as a toilet, but their relationship is more beneficial than you might think. Meet the pitcher plant, a fascinating carnivorous plant that traps insects with sweet nectar. Once an insect falls in, it's trapped and digested by the plant's digestive juices. However, some frogs have a mutualistic relationship with these plants. During the dry season, frogs hide in the pitchers to escape predators and hunt insects. In return, the frogs provide vital nutrients to the plant through their nitrogen-rich waste. This unique relationship is a win-win situation for both the frog and the pitcher plant.